y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nakia J, and you are tuned in to Key Physique TV. If this is your first time watching, what's up sis? Hey girl, how you doing? And if not, welcome back girlfriend. So as you guys can see by the title, this is part 3 of my twist out routine. If you have not seen part 1 or part 2, make sure you stop this video right now, go to my channel and make sure you watch part 1 and part 2, and then come on back over here sis and let's finish this bad boy out. Alright, so step 1, you want to make sure your twists are completely dry, completely air dried, completely blow dried, completely under the dryer dried. However dry they need to be, you need to make sure they are dry, okay? I usually have some oil when I take them out, but your girl was getting ready to go somewhere and I really didn't have that much time. So what I would usually do is get you some oil, rub it on your hands real quick as you start taking them down. Next, you want to section off your hair. Section off the twist into 4 sections. That's why I went to go grab my little clip because sis was struggling. So grab your clip, grab your hair tie or something, move some of the twists out of the way so you can only focus on a smaller area. So after I break apart my section to my liking, this is the secret, honey, the blow dryer. Get you a handheld blow dryer, y'all. After you are done untwisting a certain section, pull the hair towards the ends like I just did. Don't pull it at the root, just pull it towards the ends of the hair, and you want to blow dry that entire section. So I'm going to start taking down this section. Going to break the twist apart to my liking. She don't need no hands or no pants, do your dance. Popping rubber bands, hit the dash, make it faster. Waiting by me phone just to take it down, down. Let me put it down, down, put it down, down. Watch me put it down, down, put it down, down. Trips to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me cause I put it down bright. Damn babe, I can put you on a flight. You know that someone like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. So you are going to continue to do the same process over your entire head. And yeah, that's literally all I do when I start my takedown process. Get some oil, get you a handheld blow dryer, and untwist, break them apart, grab the ends, blow dry, and that's it. And the way that you blow dry your hair is like, for example, if you want to bang, you will blow dry a certain part of your hair to one side and then the other part to like kind of create your part for whatever side you want your bang on. I like to do a mushroom type look, but you guys will see that towards the end of the video. So we're gonna speed this bad boy up and let's get it. Stuck on your phone, or you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever go, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you see? I just wanna love you, baby. Look me in my eyes. Ooh. Baby, 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 from the day I saw
Thanks for helping. So sorry about that, guys. So sorry. But here you guys are. This is the final look for the twist out. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you guys tried this process. And, let me know how it turns out. Also, this was like the mushroom method I was telling you guys about, where I blow dry my bang to the front to get like this mushroom umbrella type look on my hair. And I've been doing this method, this routine, for about 5 months now, and because I do it consistently, because I do the same thing every single time, my results just keep getting better and better. So just make sure you drink your water, sis. Make sure you are creating a routine that works for you, that works for your hair. Make sure you know what kind of hair you have. Do some research and start enjoying your natural hair, sis. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.
you.